Welcome to our quick showcase of the PoE Watchdog feature on EtherWAN switches. This innovative technology ensures your devices stay up and running, automatically rebooting them in the event they become unresponsive. PoE Watchdog is a built-in feature that continuously monitors the status of your connected devices. In the event a device does become unresponsive, Watchdog will step in and automatically reboot it. This allows you to maintain network uptime and reliability while minimizing the number of physical truck rolls or manual troubleshooting that is required.
To activate PoE Watchdog on a compatible EtherWAN switch, first we need to log in. You'll now navigate over to the menu on the left side and click on Switching, then click PoE Watchdog. First, we'll enable Watchdog on the port of the device you wish to monitor. We then enter the IP address of that device. The ping interval is how often the switch will send a packet to the device to check for a response. By default, this is set to every 5 minutes. The failure count is how many times the monitoring ping needs to fail before the switch will take an action. Once there is no response for the interval and failure count we have set, the switch will take one of 3 actions. Either do nothing, power cycle, or turn the port off completely. In this instance, we are going to set it to power cycle. The startup delay is the amount of time the switch will wait once it takes this action before sending the first of the monitoring pings again. By default, this is also set to 5 minutes. Now that we have set this up, it's time to save your configuration. Please do not skip this step, as this ensures that the changes we just made to the switch configuration will be saved upon a reboot. Now that we've configured our switch, let's see PoE Watchdog in action. So as you can see, when we ping the device from our laptop, it has become unresponsive. After 3 failed pings according to the interval we configured on the switch, in this case 5 minutes, we'll see the device reboot and come back online. Now that we've covered what's happening on the back end, let's take a look at the switch itself. As you can see here, the port that we set up reboots when the device is unresponsive. This will occur when the parameters we previously set on the switch are met.
Thank you for watching our showcase on the PoE Watchdog feature of EtherWAN switches. For more information, please visit our website or contact us directly.